Another video? Already? What's this one for?
I want to show people my Mini-Groqqle.
I've seen your Mini-Groqqle, and I told you, I never want to see it again.
That's not my Groqqle, and it's not mini either.
I still can't go anywhere near a hot tub thanks to you.
AI Tips with Jay.
Oddly enough, when I do a free web search for free web search, I don't find many free web searches. What I find are a number of services that offer a limited number of free searches. When those run out, they start charging you up the wazoo.
You're not going to show us your wazoo, are you? Nobody wants to see that either.
I should have never bought that hot tub. A while back, we introduced our Groqqle search engine. It's nice, but it has a number of bells and whistles you may not need for your project. If all you need is a quick and easy web search for your project, just grab my Mini-Groqqle.
And how does one find your Mini-Groqqle?
Look in the description below. Do you see my link?
Didn't we just have this conversation?
The instructions are in the GitHub code repository. Once included in your project, it only takes 2 lines of code to perform a web search. You can choose how many results you get and whether you want those results returned as HTML or JSON. Again, there are no API keys to worry about, no subscription fees, nothing. I'm a cost-conscious, dollar-wise, frugal, practical.
Penny pincher?
Exactly.
Cheapskate?
Well,
Tightwad, miser, Ebenezer Scrooge?
Take a hike. Otherwise, subscribe and like to AI Tips with Jay. AI Tips with Jay. Hooray! AI Tips with Jay.
AI Tips with Jay is a copyrighted production of j.gravel.us. All rights reserved by
AI Tips with Jay.